I give you glory. Beginning guitar tutorial. This tutorial is for modified to suit your skill level at the moment. As you become better, we will try working on the original patterns. Begin placing your right hand on the body of the guitar. You will be using this hand to pick the string so that it makes a sound. Remember to pick going down first. You may use a pick or your fingers. For now, you will need to use your thumb to pick. Now prepare your left hand and find these guitar notes on the fretboard, beginning with C. This song has 4 main parts excluding the intro. You will need to learn 3 different patterns to complete the song. For pattern 1, you will be playing this during the intro and outro only. Each note will get 4 beats, of which each beat needs to be sounded. Start with C. Pluck this 4 times using your right hand thumb, then switch to the next note. Repeat this pattern. The main pattern for the entire song is pattern 2. Similar to pattern 1 except each note receives 8 beats. Do this by picking each note 8 times before switching to the next note. Repeat pattern 2 for all verses, pre-chorus and chorus. Pattern 3 is used during the bridge part. Similar to pattern 1 in terms of number of beats. You can create some variation by just picking each note once, but make sure to sustain or hold the sound for 4 beats before switching.
the crown of thorns, you became my king forever. And with the crown of thorns, you became my king forever. And with the crown of thorns, you became my king forever. And with the crown of thorns, you became my king forever. And with the crown of thorns, you became my king forever. And with the crown of thorns, you became my king forever. That saved me, oh, and rescued me. Just a moment there, set me free. Sing that saved me, that saved me.